Solar Death Ray versus Marshmallow Peeps.
I want to eat one.
Let's open them up. Let's just put these Peeps down here.
Yum.
You want to eat one that's been on fire or no?
No, thank you.
Okay, let's move these guys out of the way. We'll just grab them with our tongs here.
I want another piece.
Here, I got one right here for you. Want this one?
Sure.
Hot and sticky.
I'll just take the tongs.
Okay, here's some more Peeps.
There's more packages of Peeps in here.
I don't think the white ones are going to work so well, but let's try some of these.
So I can
Let's try these yellow ones.
So I can eat the white ones?
Yeah.
Yay!
Here, we'll make a Peep pile.
More candy for me!
A pile of Marshmallow Peeps here.
Oh.
The Marshmallow Peeps are not having a good time. Just a lot of burning. That is a big, sticky mess.
We've got to be really careful with the solar death ray. You know why? Because when Ken got burned, he died. So, if you go in that bright side, you'll end up like Ken! And you do not.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to share, like, and most importantly, subscribe so you never miss the next video. See you next time.